Hello there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are delving into a frustrating issue that many iPhone users encounter when your device fails to send text messages. Whether you have noticed messages stuck in the sending queue, encountered error messages, or simply found that recipients are not receiving your text, this can be a perplexing situation. But fear not, there are several effective solutions to troubleshoot and resolve this issue, ensuring your iPhone sends messages reliably. Sending text messages is a fundamental function of our smartphones, relied upon for everyday communication. When this functionality falters, it can disrupt our ability to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. The reasons behind an iPhone not sending text messages can vary, ranging from network connectivity issues to settings misconfigurations or even software glitches within the iOS system. This comprehensive guide, we will walk you through step-by-step solutions to diagnose and fix the problem of an iPhone not sending text messages. Each solution is designed to address different potential causes, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you will have the tools and knowledge to resolve the issue on your own. So let's dive in and resolve your iPhone text messaging issues together. Step number 1. Check network connection. The first step in troubleshooting why your iPhone isn't sending text messages is to check your device network connection. Poor signal or no data connection can prevent messages from being sent. Here's a detailed guide on what you can do. Check signal bars. Start by examining the signal bars displayed in the upper left corner of your iPhone screen. If you notice that you have low or no bars, it indicates a weak signal. To potentially resolve this issue, consider moving to a different location where the signal reception is stronger. Enable airplane mode. Another effective troubleshooting step is to temporarily enable airplane mode. Here's how you can do it. Access Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Enable airplane mode. Tap on the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to allow your iPhone to disconnect from the network completely. Disable airplane mode. Tap the airplane icon again to disable airplane mode. This action will re-establish connections and may help reset your network settings, potentially resolving any connectivity issues affecting text message sending. By following these steps, you can effectively address common network-related issues that may be preventing your iPhone from sending text messages. If you continue to experience difficulties after trying these solutions, further troubleshooting or contacting your carrier support may be necessary. Step number 2. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that may be affecting your ability to send text messages. Here's how you can restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button. Locate the side button or the top button depending on your iPhone model, and press and hold it down. For iPhone X and later models, press and hold the side button along with either volume button until the power off slider appears. For iPhone 8 and earlier models, press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to power off. Once the power off slider appears on your screen, swipe it from left to right to turn off your iPhone. Turn your iPhone back on. After your iPhone powers off completely, wait for a few seconds. Then press and hold the side or top button again until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This indicates that your iPhone is restarting. Performing a restart refreshes the iPhone software and can often resolve temporary issues that may be affecting its performance, including problems with sending text messages. If you continue to experience difficulties after restarting your device, further troubleshooting or contacting Apple support may be necessary to identify and resolve the underlying cause. Step number 3. Check message settings. To ensure that your iPhone's message settings are correctly configured, follow these steps. Check airplane mode and do not disturb. Go to Settings. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Toggle off airplane mode. In the Settings menu, locate airplane mode and make sure the toggle switch is turned off. White. Airplane mode disables all wireless connections, including cellular data, which is necessary for sending SMS and iMessages. Ensure Do Not Disturb off. Next, check Do Not Disturb. Tap on Do Not Disturb and ensure that it is toggled off. White. When Do Not Disturb is enabled, green, it silences calls and notifications, potentially affecting message delivery. Enable cellular data. Go to Settings. Tap on Settings to return to the main Settings menu. Tap on Cellular. Scroll down and tap on Cellular to access cellular data settings. Enable cellular data. Tap on cellular data and make sure the toggle switch is turned on. Green, This setting is essential for sending SMS and iMessages over your cellular network. Check iMessage settings. Go to Settings. Tap on Settings to return to the main settings menu. Tap on Messages. Scroll down and tap on Messages to access message settings. Toggle off and on iMessage. Find iMessage in the Messages setting and toggle the switch off, white, and then on, green again. This action can refresh iMessage settings and potentially resolve any issues with sending iMessages. By ensuring the airplane mode and do not disturb are disabled, enabling cellular data, and refreshing iMessage settings if necessary, you can ensure that your iPhone's message settings are correctly configured for sending SMS and iMessages. If you continue to experience issues after checking these settings, further troubleshooting or contacting Apple support may be necessary to resolve the problem. Step 4. Update iOS software. Keeping your iPhone software up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check for and install iOS updates. Go to Settings. Begin by tapping on the Settings app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on General to access General Settings option. Tap on Software Update. In the General Settings menu, tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will now check for available updates. Check for updates. If an update is available, you will see a description of the upgrade along with its size and any new features or improvements. Download and install. Tap on Download and Install to begin downloading the update. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network to avoid using your cellular data for the download. Install the update. After the download completes, tap on Install to start the installation process. Your iPhone will restart during the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Updating your iOS software ensures that your iPhone has the latest security patches, bug fixes, and performance enhancements provided by Apple. It is important to regularly check for and install updates to optimize your iPhone's functionality and to resolve any issues that may be affecting text message sending or other aspects of device performance. If you have any questions or encounter issues during the update process, feel free to consult Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. Keeping your iPhone software up to date is a proactive step toward maintaining a reliable and efficient device. Step number 5. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can often resolve persistent network-related issues that may affect text message sending. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on General to access General Settings option. Tap on Reset. Towards the bottom of the General Settings menu, tap on Reset. Reset network settings. Tap on Reset network settings. Please note that this action will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and other network configurations from your iPhone. Insert your passcode. If prompted, enter your iPhone's passcode to proceed with the reset. Confirm your decision. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Reset network settings again to confirm. And there you have it. 5 steps to help troubleshoot and fix an iPhone that is not sending text messages. If you have tried all these steps and still have issues, it might be time to contact Apple support or your carrier for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on future tips, tutorials, and updates designed to enhance your iPhone experience. Thank you once again for watching. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.